Welcome to our instructional guide on the EMG Pro device. This advanced electrotherapy unit is designed for muscle rehabilitation with functions including EMG Biofeedback to monitor muscle activity, EMG Triggered Stimulation to deliver stimulation based on muscle activity thresholds, TENS Transcutaneous Electrical Nerve Stimulation for pain management, NMES Neuromuscular Electrical Stimulation for muscle strengthening and rehabilitation. The EMG Pro is a single-channel portable device designed for professional use in therapeutic settings. It features both preset and customizable programs to support muscle relaxation, muscle re-education. This advanced unit gives clinicians full control over protocol selection and customization, allowing for targeted, evidence-based treatment planning and application. Let's walk through how to set up your device. Turn on the device by pressing the power button on the front panel. Attach the electrodes or probes to the designated ports. Navigate through the interface to select your therapy mode. EMG Biofeedback, EMG Triggered Stim, TENS, NMES. The EMG Pro is ideal for reactivating the quadriceps muscle group, especially after ACL reconstruction or total knee arthroplasty, TKA. Using EMG Triggered Stimulation, ETS or NMES, clinicians and patients can re-establish neuromuscular control, improve muscle recruitment, track progress with real-time EMG biofeedback. Application tip: place electrodes on the vastus medialis oblique, VMO, and vastus lateralis, following the preset quad strengthening protocol. Customize settings based on muscle activation thresholds and patient tolerance for optimized recovery. The EMG Pro is designed with both a therapist mode and a patient mode, allowing licensed providers to tailor treatment settings specifically for each patient. When configured for home use, the therapist sets all necessary parameters in advance, ensuring the patient only has access to approved functions while safeguarding advanced clinical features from unintended use. This setup promotes safe, consistent therapy between sessions, with the provider retaining full control over treatment protocols. The EMG Pro features advanced protocols that support a variety of specialized applications, including pelvic health and targeted muscle re-education, giving clinicians the flexibility to address a wide range of rehabilitation needs. As a versatile, evidence-based modality, the EMG Pro is engineered to support recovery across a broad spectrum of neuromuscular conditions. Its full potential is realized through clinician-guided application and carefully tailored protocols. For more information, visit ncmedical.com or contact your authorized dealer.